Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Four Seasons in Sweden. Magandang araw Pilipinas, mabuhay. And to this vlog, we're going to change our fins. We have this old one and I want to change it into a new one. So follow me guys until the end, and then I'm sure you will learn something how to change your fins. That's the old fins that we took it out. We need to replace it, a new one. We replace it against wood. It look like that on the other side. So let me see. Please keep on watching. But before we make a holes or digging a holes, so we can put up our post to connect our pins. He is as affirmation to our neighbors, so he's really happy with it. We can have a new fence, but he said we need to be careful when we dig, when we digging, because the cables of their robot grass cutter, it will be destroyed. It is under the ground. So let's begin. And now it's time to put out our new fins into designated places, so we know how many posts what we're going to make holes on it. And this is iron, what you call that, is a metal. So let's begin, guys. And now guys, this is the first part of our fins. So please follow me until the end, so you will learn something from it. Maybe if you're interested to make your own fins, even it's not the same type or model. Now guys, our fins is almost done, and we're going to continue tomorrow. We'll be there at the end of my roses. And now guys, this is the second day of our job here in the garden to make our fins. So let's continue. And now guys, our fence is done. So if you get the value on this video, so please leave a comments on our comment section down below and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you again next time.